Happy Nation. What's going on, y'all? This is the day the Lord has made it. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Real quick, before we get into today's video, please like, please comment, and subscribe. Hey guys, I got my palm man back out here today. Palm tree man's back at the property. Today we're having some more irrigation put in. So we're having some lines ran from here. They ran a line from here, now they're running a line over here. Hola, mami. ¿Cómo está? Bien. Mucho bien. Now they're putting in lines. All of the trees. Here. Drip system into here. Yo necesito ayuda. It's too low. I think I should probably cut all the brown off them trees, right?
Yeah. You don't need to cut these leaves off. So this is the king sago right here. King sago, they get big. That's kind of like a round. Them leaves come all the way out here, man.
Yeah. That right there is growing. Yeah, that's growing there. That's a female.
Yeah, that's a female.
Yep.
And they probably got some seeds up in there now.
Well, she had so many pups on her, I pulled them off. Some of those pups are from the back.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got 20 in the back. Yeah, I want to put rocks in here.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah. You know, everybody got a good deal. When can you get a good deal on the rocks? Because see, I went to the rock store. I was trying to debate, do I want to go with that size? Or he gave me this sample size over here.
Bigger the better. But I can probably get a truckload for you. I bought some for school. I bought 4 or 5 truckloads. And you would need a good truckload for this.
For all of this.
Yeah, for all this. Truckload may cost about anywhere between $1,500. That's all around that.
What kind of truckload?
Dump truck tandem. Tandem truck. About 17 tons. That's all that. But all this got all of that seeds now.
Yeah. You think how many truckloads I need in here?
Well, you only need one truckload probably have all of it. One truckload. And we probably now I think we got that mulch around now. Shoot, you may have enough of that. One truckload go a long way now.
Might be 2 truckloads. What size? That size?
Yeah, about the size. See them pretty wide beds, but 1, 2, 3, that's not enough. It'll be shy. One truckload almost get there.
You got somebody that can spread it for me? I guess I'll do that myself. I'll be cheaper.
Because you spread about 2 wheelbarrows. You got a tractor.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you take your tractor and dump it out on the concrete. Take your tractor back and put it over here. Yeah, dude. I want to make you remember me. Well, you remember that job over there you did for Henry Good? Cut him up last week over there. And so, we killed a lot. That's what me and you talked. I was over there. Someone got sprayed that straw. All over the grass.
So we're putting in a drip system for all my trees in my yard because, you know, it's kind of hectic to be trying to water this stuff. So these guys are professionals, sprinkler system guys, and so that's what they do. Let's go over and check out the palm tree truck. I've got some palm trees on the truck we're probably going to have put in too, or we are going to have those put in. Trying to be modest, y'all. Got some palm trees on the truck here. Gonna have put in. Called the sable palms, the new holiday tree, holiday special. Y'all see those? Look at those big old palm trees on there. Look at those sable palms. Check them out. Aren't they beautiful? Taylor's Pride. Y'all see mine, right? Same person who installed this will be doing mine as well. Look at those sable palms. Those are 4 right there. I'm gonna have those put on beside the pond. Y'all can see them. Nice and pretty palm trees here at Taylor's Pride Homestead. So, y'all see them right there. Beautiful palm trees, guys. Beautiful palm trees. Y'all see them? Y'all interested in having some palm trees done? Here's the phone number here, Mr. Vaughn Abel. Here's his information. Palm trees. Great guy. Does all the work here at my house. He does all my palm trees and everything, so he'll be handling all of that. So, y'all stay tuned. Taylor's Pride Homestead. Look on that thing inside the garage. Might be something in there. We got drip system all installed in here.
I know it. I told him. If I'm going to put it for a loan, his father don't want to talk to him. His father here.
Okay. I'm $2 away from food stamps. And y'all talking that trash? I'm about to be jobless soon.
I ain't never had no food stamps.
I'm about to be jobless, unemployed.
So that's not yours. You claiming something you shouldn't be.
Well, you're right.
You know, bills go in the Bible.
You're right.
Talk to him, Ken.
You're right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's man. He know now.
Guys, y'all see those sable palms? He's fixing that drain for me. Hola, ¿cómo te llamo? Erika. Erika, me llamo Malcolm. Malcolm.
Michael.
Sí. Ujú. Well, how about that? I haven't paid you for that one.
I don't want. Okay, well,
Look inside the man cave in the back wall in that closet. When you go in and look in the bathroom. Now look at I say, hey guys, my male palm is producing his male, you know what? He's a boy. You ready to see it? That's the boy. I told y'all the boys have like penises. You know, this y'all grown. It's not a penis, but but it is. It identifies the male as the male, and it'll grow out into a cone. You know, that's how you determine between. Here's a male, and I'll show you a female. That's a male. Let me show y'all a female. One of my females is budding too. Let me show you this pretty female. Now you see the difference? That's a female. See, that's the female. And let me show you the male. So you see the difference? The males have like the cones that'll come out, and the females have the round buds that'll come out. So you can see here's a male. Sago palm. So they're here putting in the drip system around all my trees and stuff. So that's what we're doing. We gotta order a truck of rocks to come in. Our elephant ears, guys, they're so beautiful. They're so beautiful. Aren't the elephant ears? Let me show you this gigantic elephant ear. It is so beautiful, I tell you. Look at this gigantic elephant ear right here. Y'all see that thing? Is that thing not beautiful or what? That is beautiful. Look at this big baby. The leaves are so big it can't even stand up straight. Look at that, y'all. Look at that big old elephant ear. And all of these are from bulbs. Bulbs in the ground. Man, this is blue. This is beautiful. So now they're stretching out the lines. They're stretching them out. The irrigation line. They'll pull it. Yep. See how they pull it? They pull it tight, stretch it out. Y'all see that? So they stretch it out. So they're running the lines. Y'all stay tuned. Taylor's Pride Homestead. Today we are getting our irrigation system tweaked up. We have a drip system put in. I don't really understand, but. All right, guys, so let them do their thing and we'll get back. Yeah. I was gonna put them around the pond, but not now. We'll come back and do it when it can do it, finish with the pond. Yeah. All right, guys, y'all don't want to see all this craziness, but remember to like, comment, and subscribe on the channel. We are upgrading and fixing up the homestead one day at a time. Peace.